Good morning to one and all. This is Suman, JLNET, Devarkadra, Mahabubnagar district. Let's come to the topic water heater. What is the water heater? Water heaters are used to heat the water. Water heaters are used to heat the water. They are used in houses, hospitals, hotels, industries, small industries. Yeah, heating rods are used for domestic purpose. Heating rods are used for domestic purpose. The number of rods, the number of rods, yeah, we are using to the 2000 watts. 2000 watts are used to heat the water in a large quantity. Where will be used in large quantity of the water? Hospitals, hotels, industries. Basically, the water heaters are three types. What are they? Rod type or immersion type water heater. Second one, storage type or self-contained water heaters or geysers. Third one, instant water heater. Instant water heater. Last one, instant water heaters. Let's come to the first type of water heater, rod type. What is the rod type heaters or immersion heaters? The rod type heaters are, yeah, works on principle of the heating effects of electric current. Heating effects the effect of electric currents. Heating effects of electric current. Its principle works on heating effects of electric current. The where will be it is used for commonly used household electric purpose. The we are used for household, commonly used for household electric appliance. We range of the watts. The wattage range varies from 250 watts to 2000 watts. 250 watts to 2000 watts. It is used to heat the water in buckets, drums, or etc. It works on the principle. We know that it works on principle heating effects of electric current. Heating effects of electric current. Okay. Immersion rod should be well dropped in water, except portion just 3 to 4 centimeters below the terminal housing. Below the terminal, the supply should be switched on only after the immersion heater has been dipped in the water and switch off before taking out. Switch off before taking out. Okay. Next, troubleshooting of the immersion heater. We have first rod type or immersion heater. We are troubleshooting of immersion heater or rod type heater. Rod type heater. Here troubleshooting. First point, immersion rod is not working up. Immersion rod is not in working up. Yeah, possible cases. It is possible. Yeah, possible. Open of heating element in the rod. Testing. If open heating of element in the rod, which type of testing we are used? Open circuit test. What is the rectification? Check and replace the complete immersion heater. Check and replace the complete immersion heater. Okay. Next, second one, blow out fuse. Blowout fuse. It's a fuse of blowout. What will be test? What will be gonna test? Short circuit earth fault. Short circuit earth fault. The short circuit may be at connector plug top. Water is going into the tube. Check it and replace the immersion heaters. Next, third one, defective switch or loose connection. Open circuit test or physical observation. Check and lighten the connection. Open in connector, plug top, flexible cable. Open circuit test or physical observation. Check and review the connections are otherwise replace them. Okay. Next, come to second point. Fuse blow out after replacement. Fuse blow after replacement. What will be going? What will be taken the action? Low capacity fuse or excessive load. What will we be test going to be? The test the fuse capacity load and circuit. load on circuit, short circuit test. Okay, put purpose, put proper fuse, put proper fuse. Short circuit in immersion rod or plug top connector. Okay, what will be going on? Locate and if the fault found in immersion rod, replace otherwise the connections. Okay, this type of troubleshooting, this type of faults gonna be immersion heater. There are three types or etc. Okay, possibilities of cases, testing and rectifications. They are two uh, they are this type of faults in the immersion heaters. The what are the precautions are we going to take? Okay, precautions while immersion heater. First one, the immersion heater should be dimmed up to the indicate level. Second one, supply should be switched on only after immersion rod has been dipped into the water. And third one, supply should be switched off before taking it out. Okay, before taking it out, water heater, before taking out, the supply is off. Okay, supply is off. Do not use immersion rod in other liquid. Okay, liquid we do not use to the immersion rod. Did not use it without proper earthing. We did not use it without proper earthing. Without proper earthing, we are used to the immersion rod. We are many faults in there. Okay, so do not use without proper earthing. Thank you to everybody.